Welcome, friends. This is the answers explaining session for task 9 questions. As usual, first of all, let me see the answer for today's question, then I will explain the answer for task 9 questions. This is our first question, which is from our topic fluid mechanics, and this is one of the interesting topic under fluid mechanics, which is known as boundary layer concept. This concept was discovered by Prandtl. In further study, we can know about Prandtl in detail. Now, just as a scientist who work under this topic, boundary layer concept. Just visualize what I'm saying. Boundary layer means nothing but when a fluid is flowing on a flat plate, at the point in the fluid which touches the flat plate, the velocity will be less due to friction and goes on in along radial direction. The velocity will be increasing. At the center, it will be maximum velocity in case of pipes. Okay, at center there will be a maximum velocity in case of pipes. This is normally known as boundary layer concept. Within boundary layer, for a steady incompressible flow, the Bernoulli equation, this is the question. Out of 4 options, we have to select a perfect one, which is the answer. Option A says that holds because the flow is steady. Bernoulli stated that the energy at all points are constant. That is the Bernoulli's theorem. First option is one of the assumption made by Bernoulli, and option 2 is also another assumption made by Bernoulli in order to derive his equation. Option 3 states that the flow is transitional, which means that it is neither Reynolds, no, it's neither laminar nor turbulent. It is in between. Okay, that is transitional. Which means that sometimes it will be laminar and sometimes it will be turbulent. This is not required here currently. Therefore, our option will be option D, does not hold because the flow is frictional. Okay, there is a frictional force involved in the concept of boundary layer. That's what Bernoulli's equation does not hold here. This is the correct answer for this answer. Okay, now let me enter into task 9 questions. This is the first question of task 9, which is from general aptitude section. This is from verbal. This is also interesting because verbal means we are learning about English in deep and in depth. Once the team of analysts identify the problem, we dash in a better position to comment on the issue. Which one of the following choices cannot fill the given blank? Okay, we have to find which one of the following choices which cannot fill the given blank. Okay, often students will made mistake here. Read question carefully. Which one of the following choices cannot fill the given blank? They are not asking the correct answer, they are asking wrong option which will not come at the given blank. Okay, the question is, once the team of analysts identify the problem, we might in a better position. This may come where we were to be in better position. Yeah, these two may come possible. We are going to be in a better position. Yeah, if team of analysts identify a problem, sure this option will also come. And final option is will be that once the team of analysts identify the problem, we will be in a better position to comment the issue. Here will be only if team of analysts identify a problem, then only we will be in a better position. So it is not possible for this question will be, that is it indicates the future tense, so it can't be a correct option for this question. Therefore the correct answer for this question is will be. Option D is the right answer for this question. Yes, this is the second question of task 9, which is from fluid mechanics. For a fully developed laminar flow of water, sorry friends, this is not the second question of task 9. Sorry for this. Yeah, this is the second question of task 9. Consider a fully developed steady laminar flow of an incompressible fluid with viscosity mu through a circular pipe of radius capital R, given that the velocity at the radial location of R by 2 from the center line of the pipe is U1, the shear stress at the wall is capital K mu U1 by R, where K is the. This question, just while reading, you just visualize, you can understand. The shear stress at the wall is given there, where K here represents what? The value of K we have to give here. It will be from in the range, this is a one constant value. Okay, you must remember this, that is it will be from 2.6 and that is it will be between 2.5 and 2.6. okay, thank you friends. After this, if you like this, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive questions daily. Thank you.